So this is Big Dog from Prospects, his 4 motorcycles that we're selling. He's in his 70s, can't ride 2 wheels anymore, is getting a 3-wheeler, and this was his pride and joy right here, the FLHTC Harley Davidson Classic. Absolutely stunning. It's the right color, black and chrome. It's got low miles on it, just 26,000 original miles. It runs like brand new. All of Big Dog's bikes. You can see his Rocket 3 and his Bigfoot 1800 custom Honda VTX. These are all best in category. You had the top of the line Harley Davidson dresser, the top of the line sport model FXR, the biggest production motor ever made in a motorcycle, and an 1800 totally pimped out. So he took care of his bikes, stored them indoors, lavished them with love. It was his hobby, and as you can see, this one's no exception. It is in absolutely beautiful condition. I'll do a riding demo in a second, but check it out. It's got the Metzler Cruise Tech tires on it, front and rear. It's got the dual disc front end with the chrome spoke mag, the chrome lowers, the original factory black paint. This is the original paint. It's not a repaint. It's original factory paint on the tank and the fairings, and everything is in mint shape. The original crash bars with the factory logo on there still intact. You can see the original VIN tag is still mint. It's got the Harley Davidson Screaming Eagle oil cooler. Has our Harley Davidson Screaming Eagle Stage 1 kit, which is the carburetor. It's just been recently rebuilt. It runs beautiful. It's run a VP fuel in the tank and fresh Motul V-twin engine oil. You can see it has the chrome passenger floorboards, the chrome driver floorboards. It has the chrome inner primary, the transmission cover, the chrome covers here. It has the chrome rocker covers, chrome Screaming Eagle air cleaner, chrome valve covers, has a chrome transmission cover, chrome starter cover. Actually, it's a chrome starter. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 chrome oil cover, 7, 8, 9 custom chrome accessories just on this side of the bike that he added to it. It also has the chrome saddlebag protectors and the chrome on the back here. Check this out. He pimped it out in the back here. He's got all this chrome on the back here. The chrome 3-rail protector. It's all Harley Davidson. None of this Chinese chrome stuff. Chrome Harley Davidson shroud on the taillight. Chrome license plate bracket. Just loaded up with chrome accessories. These exhausts right here sound like aftermarket performance mufflers. These are an actual set of late model Harley Davidson mufflers. Early to mid 2000s. Dressers had a silencer in the front, but the mufflers are pretty much free flowing. So these are genuine Harley Davidson exhausts, but they sound like our aftermarket mufflers. Same thing on this side. Lots of chrome accessories over here. It's got the chrome covers for the head bolts. It's actually missing one right here, which you can get that from Harley for like 20 bucks. It's got a chrome cover on the on the fuel petcock, chrome engine guards, chrome grips, chrome clutch lever, chrome brake lever, chrome control housings, and it's all black. So the black and chrome is a very classic setup. You can see it has the chrome running lights here, chrome ring around the headlight. Bike is absolutely beautiful. He just had the seat professionally recovered. Take a look at this. He had a upholstery shop out of Waterbury custom make this seat cover for him. It's absolutely beautiful. And he put new seat foam on it too. So it's got extra comfy seat foam and a new saddle. He also upgraded the speaker set. I'll have in the write-up the brand, because I think it was Hog Sounds. Yeah, Hog Sounds. He put the stereo absolutely cranks on this thing. So it's got an upgraded stereo. All the gauges, the speedometer, tachometer, everything works great. Beautiful piece. I'll do a riding demo on it. If you have any questions about it, give me a call. If you buy the bike, I'll give you Big Dog's number. You can call him directly, ask him any question you want. He said he'd be happy to get online to do the video or talk to anybody who buys a bike. Come around this side right here. He also put a chrome cover on the inner transmission, primary cover, and unfortunately the chrome is kind of a little faded on it right here. And it's not perfect, but I wanted to show that. And the chrome on the shifter linkage here isn't perfect. You can buy a new shifter linkage and a new cover for 100 bucks if you want to mint it out. I would do that, and I'd replace this cover right here. But the core of the bike is rock solid. It's just got a couple of peeling chrome parts. The rear tire on it is another Metzler Cruise Tech with 95% tread on it. He'd replaced those recently and rebuilt the carb. You can see the original factory paint on the fender is excellent. This is the original factory clear coat, and if you can see it's fading, you can see it's fading a little bit right here. I wanted to point that out. And when the bike gets wet, The original factory clear coat has like a foggy look just on the fiberglass parts, which is really weird. The first time we washed it, it got like a foggy look on here, and I called him. He said, well, this year the factory clear coat, so if you wanted to straighten that out, you'd have to wet sand and buff the clear coat off, and then re-clear coat the bags and the backpack, not the tank or the fender, just the fiberglass parts. So I just wanted to point that out. The original factory paint on the tank, take a look at this. This is original factory paint is freaking beautiful. Original factory finish, original factory paint is mint. All the factory paint looks good on the front fender, the fairing, the bags, the saddle bags. It just has that strange phenomenon when and I guess the clear coat over the years on the factory bags kind of, I mean, the bike is absolutely beautiful. It has this accessory Harley Davidson luggage rack on the back that you can put your sleeping bag on or whatever you want to do. 25 years old, so you can run classic plates on it if you like, and it's a traditional Evo motor, so there's tons of hot rod parts on there are available for it. It's not hot rodded now, it's just got a stage 2 kit on it, which is the intake and exhaust, and it's tuned beautifully. Let me give you a quick riding demo. If you have any questions about it, give us a call. Reason. This is the ultimate cross-country cruiser. Guys, this bike may be 25 years old, but it feels like you're riding a brand new motorcycle, and for good reason. Big Dog took really good care of his bikes. It's got new Petzler tires on it. He replaced the rear shocks, rebuilt the front forks. It's tuned to the 9s, all fresh fluids in it. It's ready to go. The stereo kicks ass. I'd demo that for you, but then we get a copyright strike from YouTube, so I don't want to do that. But the stereo kicks ass. All the lights work beautifully on it. All the turn signals, everything works on the bike as it should. The lights, the signals. He told me everything's perfect on it. He's got the air pressure set to 60 pounds on the suspension, so air ride, super comfy saddle with new foam in it. It's about as good as it gets without spending. You have to spend 25-30 grand on a new bike, brand new bike to get this kind of performance. And that's what these new bankers are going for. They're pushing 30K, so this is a tried and true Evolution engine. It doesn't get any better than this, so I don't own and maintain. It's a beautiful bike, so buy it right off into the sunset. Stereo. Man's got a ridiculous. Harley stereo. It absolutely freaking cranks. And it's got everything Harley. It's a state of the art that Harley had after what 95 years of building cruisers, and it's the king of the road, baby. See, it has a smoked short windshield, which I absolutely love. I hate riding looking through a windshield. It's got the chrome trim on there. Just a stunning piece, and look at the quality of all his bikes. That's why they're all lined up here. When you see, and he had them in his heated garage. I'm sure he had a fortune tied up in each of these bikes, and they're going to be sold for a fraction of what he has into them, for sure, sadly. But just beautiful, beautiful motorcycles. They're all black, they're all chrome. This one here is, if you're going to buy a Harley full dresser, it's got to be black. You got to have a kick-ass upgraded stereo. You need the Metzler tires. You need the exhaust. You need the intake done. You need all the stuff done that he's done. And it's ready to go, guys. It's absolutely freaking gorgeous. Bid high and bid often. You're not going to find a nicer Evo from a more stand-up dude than Big Dog. I mean, look at his bikes. They speak for themselves. Thanks for watching, and God bless America.